Hello everybody. Now I am going to talk about the construction of RCC design. There are many steps in the construction of RCC design. The first step was in the site we have to go and clearing the plot. Why should have the clearing the plot? Why should have to the clearing part? Because some of the dirty soil and some of the dirty papers or dust, the sand filling and the sand, some of the sand are mixed in that soil, so we have to clear that part, clear that plot, and then we have to mark the plot as per drawing where the columns are come, that mark line we have to mark on the site in the plot, and then we have to excavate. The normal depth of foundation will be the varies between 1.5 meter to 2 meter. We have to do in that purpose, in that area we should need a structural the structural engineering to find out the depth of a foundation. The formulas are having P by W the whole bracket 1 plus sine square theta divided by 1 minus sine square theta whole. This is a formula of depth of foundation we have to do, and then we have to go to sand filling. Sand filling was done by 3 inches of sand, and then we have to go to PCC. PCC stand for plain cement concrete. That much 3 to 4 inch we have to pour that concrete in that excavation area where column was marked, and then we have to go to the foundation shuttering and foundation bar we have to put in that excavation area, and then we have to do column, and then the foundation bar and a column bar we have to tied properly to avoid a joint crack. If you do not tie it properly, the column bar and the foundation bar, maybe the joint crack may be occur in that footing areas. And then we have to go to shuttering process in column reinforcement. The shuttering process we have to done and pour some concrete in the shuttering until the hot concrete is appear. Then we wait and we have to remove that shuttering. The hard soil when we have to see in that area, we have to remove that shuttering, and then we have to go to plinth beam or plinth area. So we have to do backfilling in sand and concrete, and then we have to do a plinth beam in a column corners and join together to a plinth beam. In some of the areas we have to do some pour concrete in that plinth beam and do shuttering process and remove where the hard soil with the hard concrete is come out, and then we have to go to the slab reinforcement. We have to go to beam reinforcement, and we have to go to the slab reinforcement that join together and give shuttering purpose and give the shuttering purpose and do the if you useful, put like, share, subscribe. Thank you.